Welcome to the Nutritionist channel. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions of people worldwide. While there's no cure for diabetes, it can be managed through various treatments, including nutrition. In this video, we'll discuss which foods are suitable and which to avoid for diabetes, and provide advice on how to use nutrition to manage and prevent this condition. First, let's talk about suitable foods for diabetes. Non-starchy vegetables, like leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and peppers, are low in calories and carbohydrates, and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve overall health. Whole grains, like whole wheat, oats, quinoa, and brown rice, are also rich in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. They can also help reduce the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions. Lean protein, like chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes, are low in saturated fat and can help keep you feeling full. They're also important for maintaining muscle mass and overall health. Healthy fats, like avocados, nuts, and seeds, are high in heart-healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These can help improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Now, let's talk about foods to avoid for diabetes. Refined carbohydrates, like white bread, pasta, and sugary snacks and drinks, are high in sugar and can cause blood sugar spikes. Processed and fried foods, like fast food, packaged snacks, and fried foods, are high in unhealthy fats and can lead to weight gain and inflammation. Full-fat dairy, like butter, cheese, and whole milk, are high in saturated fat and can increase the risk of heart disease. So, how can you use nutrition to manage and prevent diabetes? Here are some recommendations. Choose foods with a low glycemic index, which means foods that don't cause large spikes in blood sugar levels. Foods with a low glycemic index include non-starchy vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Avoid skipping meals, which can cause blood sugar levels to drop too low and lead to unhealthy food choices later in the day. Choose healthy snacks that are high in fiber and protein, like nuts, seeds, and hummus, which can help keep blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. Avoid sugary drinks, like soda, sports drinks, and energy drinks, which are high in sugar and can cause blood sugar spikes. In conclusion, nutrition plays a crucial role in managing and preventing diabetes. By choosing suitable foods and avoiding foods to avoid, you can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve overall health. If you have diabetes or are at risk for diabetes, be sure to speak with your healthcare provider about creating a personalized nutrition plan. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.